Hello Dairy Today viewers. On behalf of the Market 360 advisory team here at Stuart Peterson, I'm Tom Mongovin, and this is your week in review for the week of December 21st, 2012. Taking a look at our components this week, positive week for the cheese trade with blocks up 1.5 pennies, barrels up 3 cents. However, butter, whey, and non-fat dry milk all finished lower on the week. This week's trade was mixed, with January seeing some strength while the 2013 average fell slightly. Let's take a look at the changes at the conclusion of Friday's trade. December is nearing expiration, so that was down 2 cents this week to settle at $18.57. Here's that strength in January, with that settling up 30 cents to close at $18.05. And the 2013 average fell 5 cents this week to close out the week at $18.41. The block barrel average settled 2 cents higher this week and posted its first weekly gain in 3 weeks. The focus has definitely been on the barrels lately, and buyers have started to step in and make purchases at these levels. The block barrel average settled at 1.6975 after Friday's trade. Here's a chart of January milk on a weekly basis. As you can see from the trend line here, the drop has been sharp and fast over the past several weeks. This week showed some strength. We'll see if that continues, and perhaps we could be in for some relief. However, year-end selling appears to be affecting the markets, along with a bearish production report that we'll get into in just a bit. Over the latest week, cheese stocks declined 2.3 million pounds to the 113.3 million pound level. This latest level is the third lowest level on the year. This decline snaps the 3-week streak we saw of rising inventories. The current level is 15% less than the 133.3 million pounds that were in storage this same week last year. These strong slaughter numbers continue. Weekly dairy cow slaughter number made a new high for 2012 for the week ended December 8th. The number of cows sent to slaughter was 67,800 head, and that beats the previous high of 2012, which was 67,000, and that was reported back in March. This week's number is the highest weekly slaughter number since the record high of almost 72,000 head back in January of 2009. Year-to-date slaughter is up 6.3% from this time last year, and that is a difference of about 171,000 head. The milk production report for November was released this week. Milk production was reported at 15.973 billion pounds for the month of November. That is 1% higher than November of last year, and it represents the first year-over-year increase we have seen since July. This is 1.8% lower than last month, but it is expected to see a drop-off in production from October to November. As we take a look on the chart here, here are the October numbers, and in each of the last 3 years, you dip lower into November, so that is expected from a seasonal standpoint. Total cows on farm were reported at just under 9.2 million head. This is an increase of 7,000 head from October's report, and the first monthly increase in herd size since April. Year over year, the November number is down 0.2% from November of 2011. Coming up next week, we do have a short week due to the Christmas holiday. The dairy market will close early on Monday and will be closed all day on Tuesday. That will do it for us. On behalf of the Market 360 advisors here at Stuart Peterson, thanks for watching and happy holidays.